Get ready for a legal dictation. 5 seconds. Start. UP Jamidari Evolution and Land Reforms Act, 1950. Section 186 UP Revenue Code, 2006. Section 67 Mutation Recall Application, Dismissal of Striking of Name of Original Tenure Holder and Mutating Name of KK and SD. Realizing mistake after due inquiry conducted, entries were directed to be strike of void order dated 5/9/2011. Petitioner does not have any direct right or interest in land in question. His recall application in respect of mutation order in favor of original tenure holder was certainly not maintainable. Stop. Writ court in exercise of power under Article 226 would not interfere in order passed by Board of Revenue on an inter se dispute between two parties, at instance of a stranger to controversy. Stop. However, liability rests with petitioner to move an appropriate application under Section 67 of UP Revenue Code, in case if land is an abandoned land. Stop. Para. Counsel for the petitioner, Vishal Khandewal. Stop. Counsel for the respondents, CSC and Kausal Kishore Mani. Stop. Para. Heard Sri Vishal Khandewal, learned counsel for the petitioner through video conference and learned standing counsel for the state respondents. Stop. Para. 2 point. By means of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution, the petitioner has assailed the order dated 24/2020 passed by the Board of Revenue, UP, Allahabad. Stop. Para. 3 point. The plea taken by the petitioner is that it was an interlocutory order of stay, passed by the subdivisional officer dated 1/1/2018, against which the revision was not maintainable, and therefore, the Board of Revenue fell in serious error of law and jurisdiction in entertaining the revision petitions. Stop. Para. 4 point. Briefly stated facts of the case are that the original tenure holder Balwant Singh was recorded over the land in question, however, while the Balwant Singh was still alive, it appears that by means of an administrative order a PA 11 entry was made striking of his name and mutating the names of Kuldeep Kumar and Sarita Devi. Stop. A miscellaneous application was filed before the Tehsildar, Jasaran, questioning the change in the entries in revenue records of the land in question, and realizing the mistake after due inquiry conducted in the matter, and the entries were directed to be striking of void order dated 5/9/2011. Stop. 5 point. The opposite parties in that case, namely Kuldeep Kumar and Sarita Devi, did not object to the change in revenue records, and accordingly an order to that effect was passed on 17/11/2017 on a miscellaneous application moved by Balwant Singh, restoring the entry in the name of Balwant Singh. Stop. It appears that the present petitioner moved some miscellaneous application on 1/1/2018 for recalling of the said order on the ground that Balwant Singh had already died and some mischief had taken place at the end of one Chakrapal of the village, who accordingly to him intended to grab the land, and therefore, the order dated 17/11/2017 was passed misleading the court. Stop.